Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make my DIY deep conditioner that I use for my daughter's hair. This conditioner is so good. It nourishes the hair, it makes your hair grow, and your hair will love it. Okay, I made this deep conditioner with just 3 ingredients. Okay, keep watching guys. Let me take you guys along. Let me show you how I make the DIY that your kids hair and your hair will also love. Keep watching guys. If you are new, please don't forget to like and follow my page, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube. Thank you. Okay guys, the first ingredient for this deep conditioner is going to be rice. Here I have 1 cup of rice. As you can see, now I'm going to add water to it. Then I will wash the rice. I make sure I wash the rice. I'm going to wash this rice twice before I'll cook the rice. This is the first water. I'm just going to rub it together. Then I'll pour that water away. Then I'll add another water to it. I'll wrist it well. Then I'll pour it away. Then before I'll add it into a clean pot that I will be using to cook the rice. Here I'm adding my rice inside the pot. Then I will add water to it. Then I'll transfer it to the water, allow it to cook until the rice is very done, just like you cook your normal rice that you want to eat. I'll transfer it to the fire. Now this is the rice, is cooking. I'll make sure it's very soft so that the blender can be able to blend it properly. Now the rice is ready. As you can see, it's very soft. Then I'll transfer it to a blender. Just gonna pour it inside the blender. Thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to like and follow my page also if you are watching from Facebook page. I appreciate every one of you. The next ingredient is going to be my banana. As you can see, I'm going to add 1 ripe banana to it. Then also I'm adding my aloe vera gel. Okay, that's my aloe vera. I add into it. Then I'll blend till it is very smooth. You want it to be smooth so that by the time you filter it, there will be no lumps on it, so that you don't want any lumps on your daughter's hair or on your hair. Make sure you blend it very smooth. Okay, make sure it's very smooth. Then after blending, I'll go ahead and strain it with my strainer. You can use cheesecloth for this. If you don't have a strainer, if you don't want to use a strainer, you can go ahead and use a cheesecloth to do this process. But for now, I'm using my strainer. I'm just gonna mix it, just gonna strain it very well. And make sure I get everything hot, because we are not wasting nothing. As you can see, then the next ingredient that I will be adding to this will be my grapeseed oil. Guys, I love grapeseed oil. I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of the grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice that you have. I'll mix it very well so that the oil will mix well with the rice and banana and the aloe vera. Remember, we are using just 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is rice, banana, aloe vera plant. Okay, Now I added grapeseed oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. Make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well. Mix very well. As you can see, they are coming together. Yeah, now this is the consistency that I want. Don't allow it to be too watery, okay? Make sure you don't allow your conditioner to be watery. Now this is my daughter's hair. I've already washed her hair. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to add the conditioner on her hair. And when I'm doing this, I will not comb the hair. I will use my hand to separate the strand of the hair. Okay, I'm just going to rub it as much as possible. The more the better. I'm just going to massage it into her hair. Then I will use my hand to massage it. Then I will use my finger to make sure to detangle it, to separate it. I'm not going to use a comb. Okay, I'm just going to do this all over her hair, as you can see. Just running my finger through the hair. This thing make her hair so soft. I love this deep conditioner. It make her hair feel so soft. Then I'll put it in a twist. Then I'll section another part of the hair. I'll just do the same thing all over till everything is incorporated in her hair. Keep watching, guys. Just watch till I'm just going to repeat the same thing all over till I get everything on her hair. I just want to say thank you so much, everyone, once again for the support. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate every one of you for always coming back to watch my video. Please don't forget to like and share the video, because sharing is caring. Share to your friends. Share it to with your friends, okay? Okay, guys, after putting all the deep conditioner in her hair, I'll wrap it up with a plastic bag for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to use my grocery bag. I'll wrap it up for about 20 to 30 minutes before I wash the hair. Okay,
my beautiful hair.
Right here, I've already washed and blow dry her hair. As you can see, she loves her hair. She was so happy. She said, "Mommy, my hair is so beautiful." Then I
so
put her hair in a twist. Okay, I just put her hair in a protective hairstyle. I did a two-strand twist, mini twist for her. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to like and follow my page. Please don't forget to subscribe also. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. One love. Keep us together. Bye, guys. Bye bye.